What's up, everybody? Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get started on YouTube as an automotive YouTube channel, because I've been seeing this question a lot in my DMs lately, and I just figured, why not? We can make a good video about this. So I'm going to be going over the 5 tips I would have liked to know when I was starting out on YouTube, just to help get going a little bit faster and get the pace up, get the growth up, and so I can help you guys too if you're trying to do the same thing as I am. And let's just get right into this video, and I hope it's helpful to all of you. So the number one thing I think that I would tell someone that was getting ready to start a YouTube channel was to just start. And that seems very simple, but so we're all car guys. If you're watching this video, you're probably a car guy because you clicked on the automotive part, and you always talk about it with your buddies as you're wrenching on the car, like, I could start a YouTube channel, I could make it great, all the stuff we do, everything. And it's probably true. You probably could have a great YouTube channel, but what's holding you back is getting started. And a lot of people don't think they have the equipment. A lot of people don't think they have what they need to start a channel, and that's just not true. It's so easy to get started on YouTube now. Everybody has, your phone can be a super easy way to just get started on the platform and just get that first video uploaded. It's gonna be a little hard at first, and you're gonna be like picking at it a little bit here and there, but just getting that first video out is massive. It's just gonna change everything, because as soon as you start, it gets easier, and once you keep going, you're gonna get better and better. Practice makes perfect, and you can't expect perfection from your first video or your first couple videos for that matter. You gotta crank a couple out and see where you can improve and actually get better, learn from what you didn't think you did right, and grow from there. But you can't get better unless you start, and that is my number one tip for someone getting started on YouTube, is to just do it. You just gotta get on it and go for it, because the only person that's holding you back is yourself. So that would be my first tip to someone just getting started on YouTube, is to start. It seems simple, but in reality, it's the most important step of the whole process. So let's get on to the second tip that I would give someone starting out on YouTube, and that tip would be, it is, a lot of your friends probably would say, or you even thought it in your head, that YouTube is oversaturated. There's no way you could grow on YouTube. I don't even want to try, because it's oversaturated. I can't make it on here. So let me talk about that for a second. One of the good things about it being there's a lot of people on the platform is you can see where these people have made mistakes, and you can learn from those mistakes and actually grow your YouTube channel faster than they did, because now you get to see what they did wrong and you can do it better, and people want to see the better content. So it's very feasible. You can do it yourself to actually grow your YouTube channel right now, and it should not hold you back at all. But make sure you're going on these YouTube channels and looking on growth hacks, how to get my first 1,000 subs, how to get my first 100 subs, how to make my YouTube videos better, learn about editing software, learn about different camera angles, learn about different editing hacks, tips. Audio quality is massive. That is like one of the most important things, is audio for your YouTube videos as well. So there's just different things you can do, and you can learn from others. So YouTube is thriving right now, and you can grow it right now. If you want to do it, you can make it happen. There's nothing that should be holding you back. So another side tip I would say is use your other social media platforms to boost up your YouTube channel, which seems very simple and easy. But I think the number one right now, it's 2021 in January, and the number one thing to do is go on TikTok and promote your YouTube channel, because TikTok has this natural growth right now where it's very, very easy to get followers, and then you can take those followers and put them onto your YouTube channel, and that is one of the easiest ways to get YouTube subscribers right now. And I'll probably make another video talking more about this, on how you can grow your TikTok to help your YouTube channel. But that was something I would recommend, is TikTok has phenomenal natural growth right now, and I would for sure use that as a tool to grow my YouTube channel. So that is my second tip, is you can still grow on YouTube now. It is not too late. Get started, get it going, and you can make it. All right, and so the third tip I would give to somebody is, you do not need the best equipment. I know that holds a bunch of us back, is that we think we need the nicest camera, we need like 5 GoPros, we need microphones, we need mounts, we need lights, cameras, everything. And it's just not true. To get started on YouTube, you just use your phone and work up from there. Honestly, our phones are so good now, there's almost no reason to change for a while. I mean, I'm still using my phone camera, and it's an older phone. I have an iPhone X that I film everything on, but the new iPhone 12s, the cameras are amazing. It's really hard to beat that, and unless you're spending $1,500 on a camera, you might as well just stick with your phone for now. They just work so well. And I know GoPros, especially since we are in the automotive part of YouTube, GoPros are great. You get to slap them on your car and you can show yourself gapping people, you can show yourself drifting, tire smoke, all the cools. GoPros are great, and they will add to your videos later on, but for now, you don't need it. It's not going to make or break your videos. Just as you get better and as your YouTube starts to build and grow, you need to build and grow all your equipment, and just as time goes on. But to get started, you don't need the nicest stuff, but I would recommend a microphone. So on Amazon, they have a Rode video mic, and it's like $50, and it just has great audio quality, and I would recommend that to anybody getting started on YouTube. It's just gonna, I mean, you'll sit there and watch a video even if the camera isn't very good, but if it has good audio quality, you're gonna listen to it or watch it, because it just isn't that bad. But if you're watching a video and the sound is all jumbled and you can't understand what they're saying and it just sounds like garbage, you're probably gonna skip past that video. I mean, it's kind of true. I mean, I do it. I can't be the only one. So I would invest into a little video mic, and that'll level up your videos a ton. So that would be my third tip, is don't focus on the camera equipment right off the bat. Just get started, like I keep saying. You see a common theme throughout this video is just get started. Okay, my fourth tip for someone just getting started on YouTube is identifying your niche, which doesn't really seem that hard since we are in the automotive part of YouTube, but you want to dig deeper into that. So if you are in the automotive part, so like for me, I do a lot of work on my Fox Body Mustang. That's what my channel is about, and so the people I'm targeting that would want to watch my videos are Fox Body Mustang enthusiasts. So that's how I gear my videos towards. I do lots of Ford things, lots of Mustang things, lots of Fox Body things, and that's how I grow my niche. So Fox Bodies usually are at the drag strip, so that's another part of it that I try to go to. Those are the things I try to incorporate into my YouTube videos because that's my target audience likes that. I like it too. So let's say you are you own a 240SX, like an S13. Your whole channel is about your 240SX. A lot of those guys like drift videos, so I would make things more geared towards that. So if you're gonna do that, how-to videos on drift knuckles for your S13, how-to videos on how to drift, how to clutch kick, how to do things like that. So we all know about those big vloggers, like we got TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, Amelia Hartford, all these big car automotive YouTubers, and they can absolutely do anything because they have a massive following already. So they could buy any car they want, they can do anything they want, and people are gonna watch it because they know they make good videos. But for you and me, people don't know who you are. They really honestly don't care who you are. So they're not just gonna click on your video to watch about you. So the best way to like get into the niche you're in or you wanna make videos about is to do how-to videos. So like for me, what I did a lot was how to change things on my Fox Body Mustang. Right now I'm making a series about a turbo install on my Fox Body, the helpful tips and tricks and different things you can do to get your turbo installed onto your Fox Body Mustang. So I'm trying to not only make entertaining videos for my viewers, but I'm trying to give helpful tips with my viewers too. So that's one of the things you got to think about when you're starting, because it's going to bring you a lot more traffic than just making vlogs. And you can make vlogs, don't get me wrong, make those vlogs, but also do how-to videos to gain traction for your channel, because it's much easier to gain that traction when someone is looking for something and they'll click on it instead of just clicking on a random video that they saw on the homepage that doesn't really have anything to do with them. So, I mean, you see what I'm saying? When you're starting out, I think it's a lot easier to make how-to videos that are actually beneficial to the viewer. You're trying to make videos that your viewer wants to watch, not necessarily for yourself, but for your viewers. And that's how you're gonna grow on YouTube a lot faster. A lot of these content creators call it selfish vlogging or selfish videos. Is you're making the videos because you wanna make them for yourself, which they may be funner to make, but if you are serious and you wanna get started on YouTube, you gotta make videos that your viewers wanna watch. Not what you wanna watch, but your viewers. So that is another thing that I had to learn, is make sure you're making useful, helpful content on YouTube, and it will help your channel grow infinitely better. That fourth subject just kind of went all over the place, I'm not gonna lie. Identifying your niche and making videos that pertain to your niche, that can help your audience, and that will help you grow on YouTube tremendously. So, all right, let's get into the fifth tip, and this is probably another really important one that I would tell anybody getting started, is patience. You can't expect to blow up overnight. Unless you have an amazing video that is just the greatest thing on earth, you're not gonna blow up on YouTube overnight. It does take time. So if a YouTube channel is something you wanna make, just be prepared to put a lot of work into it, a lot of time into it, and not get too much reward from it at first. It definitely will come in time, but you have to work for it, and it's really hard not to get discouraged. But if you really want it, you go for it and put all your time and effort into it, you probably will make it on YouTube. And it's just something you just gotta keep putting that time, and you gotta keep putting that effort into it. Always try to keep getting better, and it'll definitely help you with your YouTube channel that you're trying to make. But you gotta keep it in mind to always have patience, because it's gonna make or break your YouTube channel. And eventually your YouTube channel will get to a point where it does make some money and it does help you, and it's quite enjoyable. I really enjoy making YouTube videos myself, and I just would like anybody watching this video to help them with it too. So a couple additional tips that didn't really make it to the cut of the video is one of the things definitely is keep a consistent schedule on YouTube. Make sure that if you say you're gonna post one time a week, you post one time a week. If you're gonna post twice a week, post twice a week, but I would recommend either 1 to twice a week, but make sure you get those uploads every week, and it's gonna help your channel a lot. YouTube really likes to see consistency. They actually love consistency, so make sure you do that on YouTube, and it'll make your YouTube channel just grow a little bit faster. Don't post like 10 videos in a week and then not post for 2 weeks or a month. It's just, if you just keep that 1 video a week schedule and just keep doing it, you'll get a better feel for it, you'll get better at making the videos, and it'll actually help you in the end. Alright everybody, so if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, stick around. I'll be talking more about this here and there, and thank you all for watching so much. I hope I can help you with some tips and tricks on how to get your YouTube channel started and grow. I know it was a hard process for me, and it's still going, but if you want to follow along with my journey to growing on YouTube, make sure to follow along. But thank you everybody for watching. Again, thank you for your continued support if you've been here for a while, and I will catch you guys on the next video.